Rabbits. Rabbits are delightful. We think of rabbits as being quiet and passive creatures, and that is totally not the truth. They're smart, they can be curious, they can be devious, they can be aggressive. So do your homework on rabbits before you get them. This is a lion head, you can see, very cute. There are lots of different breeds of rabbits. The most important things to know about rabbits is they don't need vaccinations. They should not be kept outside or in hot weather unless they have shelter and a breeze and something cool, because they are susceptible to heat stroke and fly strike. The other things to know about rabbits are they are herbivores. They require high hay, quantities of hay all the time. Only when they're young should they have alfalfa hay, so they need mostly timothy, oat, brome, orchard grass hays as they age. They should have hay at all times. They also should have only a limited amount of pellets in their diets because they are prone to obesity. I always tell my students that rabbits are like little horses. Everything they know about horses, they can translate to a rabbit. They are hindgut fermenters, so that means that their intestines are sensitive to any change in diet, like guinea pigs, like hamsters. One should never change the diet on a rabbit rapidly. Rabbits do not need treat foods either. As a matter of fact, treat foods with the honey sticks, etc., are contraindicated in these guys. Other things to know about rabbits are if you have a female rabbit, they should be spayed at a young age if you're not using them for breeding purposes, because at least 80% of all female unspayed rabbits will get uterine cancer. And this is a preventable disease. So spay your female rabbits if you're not going to breed them, and spay them at an early age if you can, anywhere after 6 months. Rabbits are not necessarily more prone to anesthetic problems than any other animal. So having a good team on your anesthesia, doing your anesthesia is a good idea, somebody who's familiar with it. Rabbits are fairly low keepers. They're easy keepers. You should never house them on pine or cedar bedding, similar to, and that generally goes for both rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, all your little rodent species. The pine and cedar bedding can be irritating to their feet, can be irritating to their lungs. The other things that we see that are most important is that they need to be chewing on something constantly, and they should never have a rapid change in diet. They are sensitive to different kinds of antibiotics, so if your rabbit needs care, make sure you take them quickly to somebody that knows which antibiotics are safe. The things to watch out for are any change in appetite, any change in stool production in a rabbit is a cause for concern, and you should seek care immediately. What do you think, kid? It's a beautiful little rabbit. You should be comfortable holding your rabbit and making sure that they don't kick with their rear end because they can fracture their backs. Be careful with them also in the household, and rabbit-proof your house because they can chew on cords and they can chew on carpet and they can get in trouble that way as well. So keep an eye on your bunny. If he's out and about, they can climb on your bookshelves and they're much more athletic than you think. But they're great pets, live about 6 to 8 years. They can live up to 14 years with a proper diet. No honey sticks, please, and no big treat fruity items. So this is a ferret. Ferrets are related to the European polecat and the black-footed ferret out in the western United States. They are in the mustelid family, so they're also related to weasels and stoats.